Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in this video, I have an amazing software for you. In the Linux system, there are a lot of softwares that play internet radio stations that is available free in the market. But among them, Shortwave is the best, and I think so because of many reasons. Because of its features, user friendliness, and less buggy, and also it supports a lot of stations. Searching is easy, playing is easy, and also it is well integrated with any Linux system. Now, first of all, let's see that what is the Shortwave, and for that, I'm just going to the GNOME software app, and here you type Shortwave. Basically, it is available in flathub, and you can see this is in the flathub, right? And you can easily install it. Okay, not a very big software, and you can see some nice screenshots. And if you are using the Arch Linux, so it is available in the OR repository, so don't worry about that. And otherwise, if you are using Ubuntu or Fedora, okay, so you can install through the flathub repo, and that's really easy. And recently a Shortwave 5.0 version has been released, you can see, and many new features are added here. One of them such as playing in the background, that is the background playing music. It's really amazing, really relaxing. And I think availability of a good radio app is really necessary to relax. And you can read all the things, all the features here. And now let's open up the application. Actually, this software, and that is the Shortwave. It is actually in the GNOME Circle apps. So that is an important thing. So it is maintained by GNOME, and this is really nice interface of this radio app. And these are some radio stations I have marked or bookmarked and added to my library. And when you click here, then in the right hand side you are getting this play pause button, and you can easily play the audio, and also you can record the audio. And to add new station, you just click in the plus icon here, and a lot of stations, over 50,000 stations are available for searching. So you can search anything. Suppose I'm searching this, and you can see a lot of radio stations are available. You can play it, and you can easily add to your library. I'm currently not playing any of the audio because it may create some copyright issue, so I'm not playing right now. And here you can see some settings. You can go to the preferences, and here this is the background playback. This is an amazing features added recently, and recording features, so you can record the entire audio track. And so save all track, decide for each track that you want to record or not, or record nothing. So these options are available, and this is really user friendly, and this is a really nice application to play radio songs. And I hope you will like it very much, and you will enjoy this app really well. So that's all for today's video, and thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next video very soon. Till then, take care and goodbye. And of course, you subscribe my channel to get notification of more such videos. Bye bye.